Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication for your Fortnite account on mobile. So first, open your mobile browser and go to the official Epic Games website. Then sign in using the Epic Games account connected to Fortnite. And once you're signed in, open your account settings and find the password and security section. Now from there, look for the two-factor authentication options. Epic may offer different authentication methods such as an authenticator app, email authentication, or SMS depending on your account and current options. Choose the method you prefer and follow the instructions shown on screen. And if you're using an authenticator app, scan the provided QR code to enter the setup key into the app. Then enter the verification code to complete the setup. Enabling two-factor authentications save any recovery or backup information that Epic provides, and don't share your verification codes or authentication information with anyone. So that was how to enable two-factor authentication and add an extra layer of security to your Fortnite account. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.